Students, parents, community advocates, and mental health experts came together for the MCPS Mental Health and Wellness Resource Fair, co-sponsored by the MCPS Psychologists Association. The goal? To create awareness that mental health and well-being are essential to educational success for students.
This is just the beginning of what we hope is a year-long process where we're really focusing on mental health and awareness for all of our students so that our students remain safe, that our students that need help can reach out and find the appropriate help.
Students shared insights on the topic of mental health and wellness with Board of Education members and mental health professionals.
There's never anything better than getting the perspective of what kids actually see happening every day. Their perspectives on things like the difference between regular stress, everyday stress, anxiety. I think these are really important lessons that we get from our students.
Stigma is the biggest reason that our kids don't seek support.
Well, having fairs like this are an excellent way of trying to reduce the stigma of mental health. We want folks to understand that both physical and mental health are both equally as important. And as our hashtag says, because you matter, we want to make sure that everyone knows that and gets the support that they need to be successful in life.
So I think we need some more community-based approach, like school assemblies, student government events that address mental health at the core. So I hope that in the coming years we can see more such initiatives so that our students have maximum access to resources when they come to school.
The event provided information from community and governmental organizations on mental health resources, and participants learned about other well-being tools during breakout sessions like self-care, coping, mindfulness, and yoga to reduce stress.
I think these events benefit students just in the fact that it's raising awareness. And I think events like this, especially when people are up here saying, "We care, you matter," is really important.